What is it they say about gifts? The greatest gift you can give is time? Here at Hermle, we wholeheartedly agree. That's why we've compiled our top 5 clocks for you to consider this holiday season, whether to give as a gift or to add to your own wish list. Table clocks are perfect for any home. The Margo brings a retro flair while still affording modern functionality. Crafted with a light cherry finish and warm golden highlights, this clock will fit perfectly into office decor. A magnetic back panel gives access to the quartz movement inside. Add a touch of sophistication and style with the Margo, or go for a darker look with the walnut finish available on its counterpart, the Fin. Barrister mantel clocks speak of elegance, and the Clearbrook is no exception. Small enough to fit in any room, yet still capable of making a statement. The walnut finish and brass highlights will bring a warmth to your decor. The Clearbrook is available with either quartz or mechanical movements. Regulator clocks have a long history of accuracy. The William continues in this legacy, bringing accuracy as well as style. Fitted with a seconds display and large glass panels, you can appreciate the inner workings of the mechanical movement as it keeps perfect time for you. Take your pick of black, walnut, or light cherry finishes. Skeleton clocks are understated yet complex. The Ravensburg is a surefire conversation starter, excellent for an entry hall or a living room. A black finish and gold highlights lend this clock a vintage feel. Ravensburg runs with a passing bell strike movement. The airy design allows full view of the finely crafted inner workings. Cuckoo clocks are a timeless favorite, rooted in German culture and craft. The fine details and cheery calls have brightened homes for generations. The Heidelberg follows in this tradition with intricate detail. Equipped with 12 melodies and a cuckoo call, this clock is sure to be an instant favorite with adults and children alike. Shop our full gift guide and get more inspiration at the Hermle retail site, emperorclock.com. Give the gift of time to your loved ones this holiday season. Merry Christmas from all of us at Hermle North America.